17, part of the Scripps News Group.
Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer coming to you live here on this Tuesday morning. And as we check out sun coming up over the horizon, our official sunrise time now is at 6:12. So we've lost a total of 9 minutes on the front end of the day, 3 minutes on the back end of the day. So we are indeed looking at earlier sunset times and later sunrise times as we roll through the season of summer. Temperatures comfortable. I was just outside and boy, it is a refreshing air mass that is in place after so many days with that tropically humid air in place. This morning waking up to comfortable conditions with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Today we're about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than we were at this point yesterday in most places. And yesterday morning we were about 5 to 15 degrees cooler than we were Sunday morning. So you can definitely notice that trend. Today, mostly dry weather pattern is going to continue across the Great Lakes region with isolated shower and thunderstorm chances each day, but those rain chances are really quite small in each location each day. So once again, we're going to want to keep those sprinklers running as we are running now a 2-inch rainfall deficit since the beginning of June and a 5-inch precipitation deficit since the beginning of the year. The overall pattern again remains dry. This is a look at the drought situation, very dry across the eastern part of our region. And here across most of West Michigan, we are looking at dry conditions, and that is the overall trend that is going to continue here. About a 20% chance of a stray shower today, about a 30% chance tomorrow. Thursday looks mostly dry, and then you see just a few isolated rain shower chances coming our way. Saturday should feature the best dynamics for a little more widespread active weather coming through. So far this month, it's been a toasty one. Many days with high temps in the upper 80s to low 90s. Yesterday, the first day this month, we've had a temperature below average, and today we're back into the mid 80s, so a little above average today, and you can certainly notice that trend takes us right through the weekend and into the early part of next week. I wouldn't be too surprised for a few days to actually end up hitting that 90-degree mark. At times, the dew points will surge. Tomorrow gets stickier once again with dew points in the upper 60s. Friday and Saturday look to be very humid days building back in as well. And the overall active weather is going to be located back to our west, areas north and west of us, seeing some active weather from portions of Minnesota and the western part of the UP, also down into northern Missouri and Kansas. We have high pressure in control of our weather for today, which really continues to keep us dry and stable for the most part, though you'll see on the future track some waves of showers trying to come through and also some pockets of clouds from time to time as well. Overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, we may see a few heavier showers, perhaps a few thunder showers roll through, especially in areas south and east of Grand Rapids. And as we head through the tail end of the day tomorrow, again, chance of an isolated shower or two coming together. Most of the areas along and west of US 131 will likely be missing out on the precipitation. Today on Lake Michigan, we likely will see the green flags flying at the beaches, so much calmer conditions than yesterday. Waves calm to just a foot or two, and you can see water temperatures are holding steady at the beaches in the low to mid 70s. Now your 7-day forecast is going to take us right through the upcoming weekend into early next week with a lot of unseasonably warm air on the map, and the 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us through the end of the 3rd week of July.